Today we'll see Natural Language Processing Session 3. Why do we need regular expressions? This will be very useful to analyze the strings and you will understand the same from the explanation and the demos. Regular expression is nothing but a sequence of characters which define some search pattern. Normally use it to find and replace operations with the strings or even can be used for the input validation operation. It belongs to the domain theoretical computer science and formal language theory. Regular expressions are mostly used in search engines. One of the most frequent usages is with the search and replace option in the word processing engines or text editors. Almost all the programming languages rejects as an inbuilt feature. So it is easy. Now we'll see the demo in Python using a Google Collaboratory. First you go to the Google Drive and click on the new option. After that click on more. Then you click on the Google Collaboratory option. New collab will be generated. The collaboratory is loading and we got the collaboratory and here we have connect. Then you connect. It will take a bit time. Now it is connected to Python 3. Python has a package called RE, which has to be imported to work with regular expressions. First, as a first step, we'll import RE. Import RE. We will run it. RE is imported. Now we'll write the code first. Txt equal to double quotations natural language processing is a is an interesting subject. Okay, now we'll come down. We'll use the function re dot search of re dot search of in double quotations. We'll write cap natural means the sentence starting with natural. If you are writing cap, it denotes the sentence is starting with natural. After that, dot star subject. After subject, you should write dollar symbol. Means the sentence is ending with subject. Okay. After that, we'll write the if condition. If of first you assign this RA dot search of to some x will take. Okay. After that, if of x colon come down. Now what we should write? If of x, then print of double quotations. Yes, there is a there is a match. Okay. Next come down, we will write the else condition with colon. After that come down, we are writing print of double quotations, no match. Okay. Now we will run the code. It is showing some error. We will find the error because what it is telling ra dot search of, here you should write comma txt. Okay. Now you rerun the code. Now you got the output as yes, there is a match. Okay. Now we'll try for some other example. Anyway, we have imported RE. Now we'll try one other example. Okay. First, we'll write some text. Not only text, you can assign anything. We'll take some A. Okay. A equal to double quotations. Varun is a good tutor. Okay. Come down. Now we'll write that re dot search of. Search of. This we should assign to some other variable. Some d we'll take re dot search of. In double quotations, what we'll write? We'll write one cap Arun dot star tutor tutor and you give dollar. Now we'll write if of b. When you write the colon, here we'll write print of double quotations. Yes, there is a match. Okay, come down. We'll write the else condition. Print of double quotations. No match. Here, after writing the regular expression, we should write comma a. Okay. Now we'll run the code. Yes, there is a match. Now we will change and we'll check. We'll write capital V here and we'll check. Okay. This is another case. Here small v is there, here capital V is there, we'll check whether it is recognizing. No match because we should it is case sensitive. If we are taking uppercase, then there also if it is uppercase, then yes, there is a match. Here it is uppercase, there it is lowercase, so no match. Now we'll see some other example. Now we'll learn about find all function. Okay. You to practice in Google Collaboratory. Then you will easily understand. Now we'll take some other txt. Txt equal to Arun Techie channel is a good platform to learn. Now we'll see find all function. Find all returns a list containing all matches. Now we'll write some x equal to re dot find all. Re dot find all of in double quotations in square braces we are writing a to j. Okay, and we are writing comma txt. Then you come down and we want to print x. Print of that x. We'll print now. Check see. It is giving all the alphabets between A to J in the given txt. Okay. Next. We'll see some other example using findall. Okay. Next. Txt equal to, in double quotations we are writing A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W. Okay, come down. We are using re dot find dot find all of some. You should assign it to some A or something. We'll assign re dot find all of double quotations in square braces. We are taking A to Z. Okay, comma txt. We are printing. We are going to print A. Now you see. We are getting all A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, everything. Because we gave small a to small z. Okay. Now we will see some other example. Wait. Take new code. Here we are going to write again some text. Text equal to double quotations. The best cricketer ever is Sachin. Then we will write some yes equal to re dot find all of, in double quotations we are writing a, and we are writing comma text. Come down, you print this. Now we'll run. See, only one A is there in the text, so it is showing that only one A. Okay. Next case, text equal to the text cricketer is Sachin. X equal to re dot find all of double quotations in braces. We'll give S comma A comma C comma H comma I comma M. Okay, comma text, comma text, end of. We'll see. See, it is showing if any S is there, if any A or C or H or I or N, it is printing. Okay. Today we completed different regular expression functions. We saw RA dot search of and RA dot find all. RA dot find all. Okay. Thank you.